Cloud storage buyers are not just searching anymore, they are asking AI systems to choose, compare, and narrow the market for them. That changes the category. When a buyer asks for the best cloud storage option, the AI response does not behave like a search results page. It builds a shortlist, it ranks providers, it frames the reasons, and in many cases, it decides which brands get serious consideration. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, a growth strategist and AI discovery analyst. At LLM Authority Index, we study how AI systems shape commercial discovery, especially in high-intent categories where recommendation positioning can directly influence revenue. This cloud storage benchmark looked at 471 observations across 6 AI platforms, including ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Google AI Mode, Google AI Overviews, and Perplexity. The public pattern is clear. AI systems are concentrating attention around a relatively small set of providers. Google Drive leads the category. It has the highest top 3 recommendation rate, the highest rank 1 rate, and the strongest average recommendation position. Microsoft OneDrive follows as the strongest broad alternative, especially when buyers are comparing pricing and value. But the most interesting finding is not only who is most visible, it is who AI systems actually advance when buyers are close to a decision. A major lesson from this benchmark is that visibility can be misleading. Google Drive appears in 59.7% of observations and converts a meaningful share of that presence into valid recommendations. That is why it behaves like the default AI recommendation in cloud storage. Dropbox is different. It appears frequently, but the benchmark shows that AI systems do not advance it at the same rate. It has strong brand presence, but weaker shortlist conversion. Box and iCloud show the risk more sharply. Both appear in AI responses, but they rarely earn top recommendations. Box has a 5.9% valid recommendation coverage rate and only a 1.8% top 3 rate. iCloud appears often enough to be visible, but carries the lowest net sentiment score in the dataset. For leadership teams, this is the warning. A brand can show up in an AI answer and still lose the decision moment. Backblaze is the strategic outlier in the cloud storage benchmark. It has lower raw mention presence than several larger brands, appearing in 27.3% of observations. But when AI systems recommend it, they tend to place it prominently. Its average recommended rank is 2.20, one of the strongest in the market. Even more importantly, Backblaze captures the highest monthly AI authority value in the category at $4.7 million, according to the benchmark model. That tells us something important about AI discovery. Broad awareness is useful, but high-intent recommendation strength can be more valuable. Backblaze performs especially well in pricing and plans prompts, the cluster where buyers are closest to a commercial decision. In other words, AI systems may not mention Backblaze everywhere, but when the buyer intent becomes sharper, the brand earns valuable placement. The benchmark points to a deeper mechanism: citation architecture. AI systems are drawing from public evidence. They are looking at official documentation, structured pricing pages, comparison content, independent reviews, product explanations, technical resources, community discussion, and broader web references. Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive benefit from dense public evidence layers. They have documentation, integrations, enterprise context, review coverage, and broad comparative visibility. Backblaze appears to benefit from a different kind of evidence layer: pricing transparency, independent technical reviews, and structured product documentation. That seems especially important in decision stage prompts. pCloud also performs well, with strong valid recommendation coverage and the highest net sentiment score in the category. That suggests AI systems are finding positive public framing when they retrieve and summarize evidence around the brand. This is exactly where simple AI visibility reporting can miss the real commercial story. The source layer shapes what AI systems trust, repeat, compare, and recommend. For cloud storage companies, the strategic issue is shortlist formation. When an AI system recommends 3 to 5 providers, every included brand gains attention and every excluded brand loses the chance to be evaluated. That is recommendation compression. The most exposed brands are the ones with recognizable names but weak recommendation conversion. They may still have brand awareness, they may still appear in answers, but if AI systems treat them as reference points instead of decision-worthy recommendations, their commercial position weakens over time. The teams that should care are not only SEO teams. This affects growth, product marketing, category strategy, content, analyst relations, review strategy, documentation, and executive positioning. AI discovery rewards the public evidence layer that helps a model justify a recommendation. The leadership takeaway is simple. In cloud storage, AI systems are already shaping who gets shortlisted, who gets compared, and who gets ignored. The commercial metric to watch is not raw presence alone. Watch recommendation position, watch top 3 inclusion, watch rank 1 performance, watch which prompt clusters create actual buyer influence. If your brand is visible but rarely recommended, you have an AI discovery problem hiding inside a visibility report. If you want to understand how AI is actually positioning your company in buyer conversations, that's exactly what we analyze at LLM Authority Index.